Asuntoskeittiö tulliimportti.
This is amazing also today, on the 17th of July 2025, and we have Pinninkatu 44. Yeah, let's take a speed. You can also watch the things in here. There's also a Tampere force, big ones. Built by ValmetSchlieren in 1981, December BS 5982, and that's the...
Yeah.
But you were not right there.
The basement.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So
but it doesn't matter me, but you also only. For me, 2 full rounds are enough, but you want rides without stopping, but
no, I forgot, sorry.
yeah.
But then we can go to 6, and from there we can do it. Yeah, after that. I think you press after that.
Yeah.
The West is horrible, so 3 grams. Yeah, that's because the flow 1 had only the up arrow, but not down there.
Yeah.
That's why I mixed it up. I thought that was the
Yeah.
They are unfortunately going to modernize these fairly soon, either this year or in the coming year.
Yeah.
But luckily we got them both in now, and they were really, really difficult.
Yeah.
Go to the 6 bar again. Ah,
No.
okay.
No, it's enough.
Yeah, it's still enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't obligatory.
Yeah.
It was almost 2 rides.
2 rides for me, but you don't count it, but still.
No, that's it.
That's